I think so. Okay.
Babe, I think Rose meant $45,000. No.
What's up, guys? Doing an unboxing for the Oculus 2. Now I'm setting up the pair, like the pin. Right now, I'm getting into the metaverse, into the VR world. I'm gonna do an unboxing on it. Oculus 2, I got the 128 gig. Come there. Let's check it out. I got my helper here, my daughter. Pull it up, baby girl. While she was doing that, I was actually on the app, and I got up to the point where I have to create my Oculus pin and put it into there. So my daughter told me to pause this step from there and then be able to do the unboxing with the VR, so I can be able to do them simultaneously at the same time. You see you're equipped here, the 2 joysticks and the VR set itself. One, give you 2. This is the actual headset. And then this here. And we have this here.
That's the charger.
This is the charger. So it then tells you the steps to do from here on the box. Pull out the paper thing from here. Yeah, pull that one out, baby. And then it says power. And then it says connect.
Oh, it's an 8 on.
Oh, fucking dumbass.
Emergency shutdown. I died.
Dude, how you die, babe?
I hit something, babe. I don't know how to. I fucking died again. How do I do it?
See, they telling you, babe.
Hey,
Babe, they telling you, baby.
no. Well, let me try. How do I do?
What is it saying for you to do?
Safety.
Always going over those things?
Yeah, I didn't click continue yet because it told me it was on wait, but I'm talking about safety. I have to put my contacts on for this.
It's blurry.
Uh-huh. Can't really see it though.
It's not making your eyes water like mine.
No, you want to see? I can see a girl and she's looking at a paper and her face is like this, Daddy. Next paper.
There you have it, guys. The unboxing of the Oculus 2 for Meta. Peace.